days of silos are gone. I'm a marketing guy, I'm a finance guy, I'm a HR guy. So it's a reshaped learning integrated model. And as also, so one way of solving that issue is, having interdisciplinary kind of joint teaching, learning, lectures, and case study approaches work very well, because the case covers a lot of aspects of that. And this is actually the essence of any management education or graduation education, because the student now knows 10 different things in spite of he being into that kind of a model, So, and in fact, we work very closely with Chitkara for the Harvard Business School University collaboration, where even for engineering and for hotel management and legal, they are incorporating Harvard case studies in the program. Okay. So very, very relevant, Dr. Sandhir, what you are saying. It is about being an integrated manager and not about a silo-driven person.
Yeah.
Harish, probably you can add to it, because what happens there.
Yes. So, Doctor, great to connect with you. And I think someday Chandigarh is my favorite city. So the next time I'm there, we'll definitely look up to you. And when you come to Bombay, do come home. I think if you're not an all-rounder in terms of basic understanding, I'm not talking about skills or education. Basic education is important to lay the foundation. But I think if you're not an all-rounder, it might not help. That's why in my previous remarks, I've mentioned about why is it important to read up on brand management, marketing, consumer insights, getting some 2-3 months course of how digital PR works, how social media works, the fundamentals of finance, fundamentals of how technology is changing communication, not technology in terms of operations and mechanics, but technology to where communication is exploding around the world, podcasts and all of that. I think the fundamentals of communication and communications today is the best tool for any company. It's called the marketing tool of any company, which is communications. There are 4 simple aspects to it. And this can be applied to any function, HR, finance, corporate affairs, whether you're an automobile company, mobile company, you're a small entrepreneur, startup, or you're a Adani or a Reliance Industries. As to where you are today, that means where you are in terms of brand perception, what people think of you, the ecosystem that you've got around you, good, bad, ugly. Where do you want to go from here? 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 50 years. How will we reach that journey? So that the whole strategy part will come in, and whether have you reached there or not. These 4 steps will make you you can apply the integrated formula to these 4 steps. But if you don't have the basic knowledge of that domain, then it becomes difficult. And getting domain knowledge of even the most boring industry can be very easy because you have the passion. So domain knowledge, having some understanding of how the communication works, and saying these are the 4 steps that I want to always think about and apply as a communications manager, then life becomes easier. But integrated is the way to go. You cannot, there's no silos. You cannot go and say, oh, I have only worked in a finance. My father's been a CA. I want to be only in a financial management company. It will not work. Because even the banks are not issuing or not giving financial communication. They are consumer connect companies. It's about consumer behavior. It's about consumer loyalty. It's about brand positioning. So every organization is where marketing, communication based, messaging. So integration is the way to go. There's no doubt. And you can actually dovetail that in your final year and also in your PGDM courses.